AC Monkey, your AC's health buddy. The AC Monkey IoT solution by One Enterprise is standardized and independent of brands or manufacturers and provides value to manufacturers, service providers, and users. This IoT solution for remote management of air conditioners will be external to the air conditioners and does not need any design changes to the AC itself. The solution is enriched with a library of data models, data charts, and algorithms. Newer KPIs and metrics can be created as per industry best practices, which can ensure long-lasting value proposition to all the consumers of AC. Rich and new generation visualization ensures slickness of the solution and keeps it contemporary. Ability to deploy new generation visualization across web, smartphones, and tablets ensures easy and anywhere access to critical information. The dashboard covers critical KPIs such as mean time between failures, mean time to repair, availability, temperature variations, vibration patterns, power consumption patterns, running versus planned hours, room and ambient temperature comparisons, room and ambient pressure comparisons, and pressure patterns.